speaking to Kelvin? Am I speaking to Kelvin?
Yes.
My name is Godwin Obaseki. How are you? Thank you. My people called you a couple of weeks ago to just ask you how things were and ask you what issues you have. And they told me they spoke with you and you were complaining about the road at Wasota Junction, Anubo. What exactly is the problem there?
The problem is that you mentioned since you are going to your land now,
yes.
They can do slab that after that so that the entire religious exactly like that and it gives you the stress of the road of thing. So how do you need to come down to if you are from the men, they are okay.
Yes.
But the very thing that entrance is too small.
Okay. I'll send engineers there next week. And you don't mind, they'll call you when they're there. Maybe you can explain to them exactly how you see it so that they can look at it from an engineering design perspective way to see how they can do it. Yeah? Thank you, Kelvin. I hope everything is good. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.